Okay, here's a PSA for Fox Shock owners. Okay, mine was kind of corroded inside there to where I had to build a special tool, you know, this thing here, you know, to turn that ring. It was stuck. So anyway, what I would do if I knew about this ahead of time was this lock ring here, I'd unscrew that, take it down, you know, a few turns, and clean that out. You can do this on the car, and then put some anti-seize inside there, you know, and then screw that thing, that lock ring back on there, and lock it down. You know, alternatively, you could, if you had a spring compressor, you could compress this, and then you could unlock this ring, screw it up, and put your anti-seize in there, screw it back down. Okay, so that's one thing you can do, and if you have the tools and all that business. Okay, the other thing to do, I think, is pretty easy for a lot of people is you see that gap right there? All the way around, that fills with silt and salty water and stuff, and then it corrodes in there. And let me lift this thing off so you can see it. You see it inside there on that adjustment collar. Anyway, that whole area there where you see that brown on my threads was, you know, covered with corrosion. So anyway, you want to take some kind of corrosion preventive spray. There's lots of marine items. There's Boeing T-9, and there's LPS-3, and CRC has a corrosion preventative for use like in saltwater environments. Anyway, I would spray into that area, you know, and you want it to soak down in there, and some of these things get kind of hard like wax, like LPS-3 does, and you want it to fill that up completely with the anti-corrosion stuff. And man, these Fox Shocks are awesome, and if you got them on your van, I would do that little bit of preventive maintenance now while you can, especially if they're kind of new. These ones are 8 years old, 9 years old now, and they're still good. Everything's good. Seals are good. The ride is good. It's awesome. I'm just going to change the oil and put them back on. Okay, hope that helps.